everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Agoda confirmation email not received. First, go to your Gmail app and check your inbox carefully, including your spam or junk folders, as the email may be filtered there. Now, make sure that you've entered the correct email address while making the booking. Even a small mistake can prevent you from receiving the confirmation. Now wait a few minutes, as a confirmation email can sometimes be delayed due to the system processing. And then you can also log into your Agoda account and check in the bookings or my trip section to confirm whether your reservation was successful or not. If available, try resending the confirmation email from the app or website. Now, if you still do not receive it, contact Agoda support for assistance. That's how you fix the Agoda confirmation email not received.